It lights up. So, it passes like this. Using your palm to. So this is. Oh, today I have a great news. I finally got my iPad Pro. Oh, this is so satisfying. So here we go. It looks like this. You know, it's just something that is not necessary. Hey, but I bought it, and the reason is because I find it to be almost necessary as a student, especially if you are working at the same time and you are studying at the same time. So this will increase your productivity. So all the Apple products, the packaging has the same feature. If you slide it up, it makes this sound that is so satisfying. Listen to this. Okay, all right, let's see. Don't want to do that because then don't want to fold it inside. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's like Zen. It's like meditation. Oh, look at this. The feel of sliding it out. It's just, oh my god, I don't get it. Why is it so, oh my god, look at this. Oh, the feeling of it. It's just, this is the iPad. As Steve Jobs used to say, the internet on the palm of your hand. Or did he say like the internet at the palm of your hand? I think at. Yeah, my preposition is not very good. Okay, so here we go. It's the dark one. It's not the silver one. They didn't have that anymore. It's fine. I wanted the silver one, but it's fine. Totally okay. And if you get it not from the store, but from the internet, you can even get like a laser imprint in here. So can do a smiley or something. It is very lightweight. It feels like the iPad Air a few years before. It's like literally, this is like paper. It's almost the same weight as this thing, the packaging. And it's unbelievable. I mean, I think it's almost the same weight as double of this Swiss knife. Probably, I don't know. We can get a scale, right? Place it down here. I think you can see it. If you can't see it, I'll read it out for you. This is now at 0. This is at 464 grams. It's I'm so bad at this. 464 grams. Yes, that's less than half a kilogram. Less than half a kilogram, and has more computing power than any of my laptops that I owned before. It's unbelievable. All right, so this is the Magic Keyboard. All right, it has a trackpad and a keyboard. Oh, okay, it slides. It doesn't make the noise because it's too thin, but it slides, and come on. Okay, this is not well done. All right, so this is off now. It looks like this, and if you pull it up like that, you get it out, and you can peel it off, and then, oh, this is kind of heavy. It kind of is of the same weight as this, if not even heavier, unless right. So the tip, you have to buy it. I don't know how often in a year, but it depends on your usage, obviously. Okay, so I think there's nothing on that side. nothing on that side. Okay, so this is the pencil. Okay, it looks like a pencil, and you can tap here. That's crazy. There's no button. Double tap to change mode. Double tap. There's no button. How do you tap on this thing? Okay, so this is the tip, and you can screw off the tip. There is something like this underneath. I think it's a metal or some sort of. I don't know what that is actually. Strange. Alright, so this is just plastic. This is some sort of high-grade plastic. Okay, so, okay. Let's turn it on. Ready? Put it on that side. Okay, so you put the pencil on top of here. And it's like magnetic. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, turn this thing on. Does it make the sound? No, it doesn't make the sound. Why doesn't it make the sound? It's supposed to be like, duh. Oh, okay, so it says hello. I'm gonna put it here so you can see with me. So that's German. So it says like hello in different languages, right? So I'm not so sure actually if you are supposed to charge this the first time you're using it. Maybe you should. Okay, let's just put it there. So let's do it in English. Okay, Austria. Okay, quick start. Set up manually. Bring your need this iPad to sign. Set it up. Doesn't show option. Make sure it's running this. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I just want to show you this feature of the Magic Keyboard on iPad. It's pretty amazing. I was shocked that, you know, like here you see there's no backlighting, right, on the keyboard. Okay, I thought that you can switch it on manually, but you can't. Actually, it's like automatically detecting the light, the ambient light level. And if I go to a dark room, just like look at it, it lights up. How cool is that? I didn't even know that. Look, if I go out again, like it switches off. If I go in again, it switches on again. This is so awesome. Alright, so let's have a look at this iPad. This is with the Magic Keyboard. There is a USB-C plug right in there. You can charge the iPad with that. Right, and then let's just turn it 360 degrees. The camera looks out. The angle is fixed, which I find kind of, it's kind of interesting, right? It's fixed. You can't really get it to a wider angle. It just doesn't let you do it. So it stops at here. Let's have a look. So there's a trackpad. There is kind of a mouse button here, like something similar to a mouse, but it's not really a mouse, right? It's a bit smarter than that. And you can click on things and you see the feedback, and it's really cool actually to navigate through it. This is pretty awesome feature. Then you have the keyboard itself. It has a really nice feel to it. So let's just type something, say, let's go to notes. Where is that? Oh, okay, hello world. Alright, this is the first note that I am writing on an iPad, and it feels good. It also has inbuilt autocorrection. You also can just say things like, "Hi, this is John." Okay, this is in German, so you have to switch the language to UK. "Hi, this is John. How are you today?" And it's pretty good. And it doesn't stop, so it goes on and on and on. Like, that's crazy. I can just stop typing forever. Like, I can just make notes just by talking. And if I take notes from the lecturer at university, for example, then I can just let the electrode speak and it will write down as a note, right? This is crazy. Okay, it's not very accurate, but maybe it's just my accent. Okay, so let's stop this. Let's click on done. Right, so if you want to write something, you can just do so. Hello world. You can make a drawing. There's a lot of things that you can do. And I think you can double tap on this and double tap on here and it comes up with this thing. It's weird. I can't really. Okay, so if I type in there, okay, here we go. There is even like a ruler, so you can like say, okay, so this it's like a ruler. You have it here, and you can just like paint. Wow, this is amazing. This is absolutely crazy. Okay, this is not normal. It's not. Oh my god, I did not expect that when I bought this. It just blows my mind. Okay, so okay, let's go back to the topic. I think so. If you want to write something here, for example, you can write in the text box like hello, and it recognizes the text and it types in, right? So if you want to search, say, best car, we'll type in there.